Dana Blizzard, viral video queen. How do we make a video go viral?
All right, I have some ideas. Are you willing to do anything?
Anything.
Let's go. If you do this, you're definitely gonna go viral.
Going to go viral or going to go to the hospital? How many times do we have to do this?
All right, in this one, we're gonna throw these at you and you have to catch as many as possible. Go!
How many?
What's
the record?
All right, last chance to go viral.
Okay.
This one, there has been no one to run from here to Cape May.
Well, that's...
You can do it. Go! Go, Dennis, go! Run! Faster! Faster!
You going to Cape May? You going to Cape May?
Hey, Dad!
Hey. So, you think it's guaranteed it's going to go viral?
Well, I mean, nothing's guaranteed, but it was fun to run and throw the bottles, right?
I almost
That was
killed
fun.
myself. I was going to
You're
run over
listen,
twice. Do you see that dog chase me?
You're at least going to
This is not guaranteed.
50 views at least. At least.